And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Ford Duratec engine's oil filter cover, this part. And for that job we need 10 mm socket, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of these bolts, and when I open these bolts they look like that. I can remove this oil filter cover nicely in that way, and now this oil filter element is free. And there we can see also these roads that where oil goes in and out very nicely, and there is of course gasket in here. That kind of information to you, and this is really Ford Duratec part.